everybody, welcome to Southern Bells. My name's Wanda.
And I'm Rebecca.
And we have an exciting day today because
it's a Stitch Fix day, and it's my Stitch Fix day. Now, this Stitch Fix is accidental. I didn't know that I was getting it until the money drew out of my bank account, so I'm not sure how much of this I'm going to be able to keep, but I'm really excited to have a surprise Stitch Fix because I haven't had one in a really long while.
It has been probably right after Christmas, maybe.
Yeah, of last year. So
it's been a while. So
yeah.
I'm anxious to see what she has.
I'm really excited. So, would you like to explain Stitch Fix for anybody who's never seen it before?
Yes. Stitch Fix is a clothing service, subscription service, and for $20 you get a box style for you of 5 items. It could be clothing, it could be shoes or handbags or accessories, and you keep what you like and you send back what you don't like. And if you do decide to purchase anything, then that $20 for your styling fee will be taken off of that. So I know I left something else. What else did I leave out?
You have 3 days to send it back if you don't like anything.
You can extend it.
Yes, you can extend it if you need to, and I think that's everything.
Okay, and I know she's got some paperwork in here, so we'll look at that as she opens it.
Definitely. Now, everything in here is a surprise to me. I didn't sneak peek, but Mama did. She took a look, and she says she thinks I'm going to like some things in here, so I'm excited and anxious to see what we have. All right, let's get into this box. All right, so should I look at the paperwork first, or should I look at my bundle first?
Your bundle.
All right. Ooh. I have some kind of
that.
jewelry too. It looks like. Okay.
She's gonna like that. No.
All right. So here's my bundle. I see some pretty colors in here. Some colors that I really like, and one color that I like, but I'm not too sure how it's gonna look on me. There's the other side of the bundle. Okay.
And you do have a prepaid mailer for anything that you don't want to keep. Shipping back is free, so you just pop it in your mailbox.
Okay, ready?
I am.
All right, so let's tear into this bundle here. Ooh, this is cute. So this first top is a nice yellow floral kind of a, what material would you call that?
It feels like polyester.
Like polyester top with some tassels. This is really cute. I love the embroidery on the front. I'm not too sure about this color. I'd have to put it on to see. And this must be the one you were talking about. She told me there was one that she really thought was cute, but she wasn't sure what I'd think about the color. So I'm really excited to try that on. This is a nice fall color. This will be a pretty thing to wear to Thanksgiving dinner. I like that. And that Thanksgiving is next week, so it could be perfect.
And this is by Mason and Bell.
Oh, it's made just for us. Southern Bells. All right, here's another top. Ooh, this one's pretty, and this one's really soft.
Oh yeah.
I really like the shape of this top. I like the floral pattern. It seems really large to me, but I like flowy and loose stuff, so I'm excited to try that one on too.
It has the tab sleeves, so you can wear them up or down.
Oh,
one of them is up and one of them is down. I like the colors in that.
I like the colors in that too a lot. All right, ooh, this next thing I'm really excited about. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love this. I've been needing a jacket. Oh, that is so cute. These buttons. Oh my goodness. And I love the color.
Look at the
oh, the little sleeves. These are the sleeves, how they're striped. That's cute. I bet you knew I was going to like this.
I did.
Oh, I love this. I bet it will be out of my price range, but I just love that.
And I have to admit, I thought it was a rain jacket, but it's not.
It's not. Yeah, it does kind of look like one, but still. Oh, that is cute. I love that. All right, and my last piece. Oh, I love this too. Is a nice sweater dress.
Yeah. Oh, it's soft.
It is very soft. Ooh, I am kind of scared because I think this is like a 5 for $5, but I don't have the money for a 5 for $5. That is cute.
You still have one item.
I still have one item, that's right. And I think it's still in the box.
Oh, is it? Sorry. I piled everything on.
It's okay.
There it is.
All right, let's see what this is.
And I know she's going to like this.
Oh my goodness. Wow, Stitch Fix did a great job. This matches what I'm wearing today. How about that? Look, it matches perfectly the sweater that I have on right now.
That's pretty.
This is beautiful. Don't know how well you can see it, but it's a beautiful turquoise necklace.
I like that. That's pretty.
Oh, I like that a lot.
Oh, wow.
Wow, Stitch Fix did really, really good. Let's look at the paperwork and see who my stylist was.
Okay.
I wonder if I still have the same stylist from a year ago. Probably not, but whoever it is did a good job. Okay. Let's see.
And there's also a little card in here about gift cards, Stitch Fix gift cards. That would be a good Christmas present.
Oh, wow. Okay. This says, "Hi, Rebecca. It's so nice to see you back again for another fix. I've been enjoying your videos with your mom, and I'm happy to hear she is 7 years cancer-free." Wow, so sweet.
Wow.
"My best wishes to you and her and the rest of your family. I took a fresh look at your Pinterest and started this fix with a versatile shift dress in the pretty shade of purple. It looks super cute paired with skinny pants or jeans and leggings. Add boots or ankle booties and get ready for lots of compliments. I also included 2 tops for your work or weekend wear. Both have the feminine vintage feel you love," that is true, "and you may recognize the blush cargo jacket from your Pinterest. I know how much you love earrings, but I couldn't resist including the blue boho chic necklace for you to add more style to these looks. Thank you for letting me style you again. Happy shopping. Best, Sharon." Sharon, you did a great job with this fix, and I am anxious to try on everything. Thank you so much. And that note is so sweet.
It's so personalized.
Yes.
She really did her research.
So sweet.
Very impressive.
Very cool.
I can't wait to see these on you.
That's right. Let's get to the try-on. Alright guys, so the first piece that I'm showing you is this beautiful necklace, and it blends in so well with this shirt, almost a little too well, but the colors, I just couldn't resist because the colors look so good. But yeah, this necklace is so beautiful. It's a nice statement piece. Let me know what you think. I really like it.
This is berry jewelry, the Eli or Ellie, it doesn't look like Ellie though, statement necklace in light blue, and it's $34.
Wow. I love that.
It is pretty. It looks like you.
Yes. I love blues and I love statement pieces, so this is just perfect.
And it has an old fashioned look.
It does. It has a nice vintage feminine look to it, just like my stylist Sharon was saying. Alright, so here's my first top. I love this top. I think it has the prettiest floral, and it is so soft and comfortable. I love the V-neck and the way that it fits. I think this top is a winner, definitely.
That's the Lenny V-neck top by Brenna and M in navy, and it's $39.
Great, that's not bad at all. Alright, so I'll be back in a minute with the next top. Alright, so I know I said I was going to put on my next top, but first I had to try on this beautiful jacket. I absolutely adore this jacket. Mama can tell you I'm crazy about jackets. I'm just a jacket person. This is the perfect weight for the South in the fall and the winter. It's warm, the way that it fits. I just love the color, everything. I'm crazy about this jacket. I'm going to button it up for you guys so you can see how it fits. It does have a tie where it cinches at the waist. Whoops, I'm getting it caught up in my shirt. Yes, so there's what it looks like, all buttoned up. I love it. I think it's just very classy and has a sweet look to it. What does it have on it?
It has a hood.
Oh yes, Mama was reminding me to show the hood. It does have a hood, which I really like. I don't have any jackets with hoods right now, so that in itself is a good reason to keep it. I'm being tempted already to keep everything.
That looks really good on you.
Thank you. I really love this jacket. This is very me. The color, everything. Oh, I love it. Thank you, Sharon. Thank you so much.
This is the Holly Cargo Jacket by Eden Society in blush, and it's $78.
Oh, that's not bad for a jacket from Stitch Fix. I love how different these pieces are from Stitch Fix. They're different than anything I've ever gotten before. I love it. Alright, so now we will try on the next top. All right, so here's my next top. I am so surprised by this top. I didn't think I was going to like the color, but the color actually looks pretty nice. I really love it. And like I said, this will be perfect for Thanksgiving. It's like the perfect fall color. It makes me think of fall leaves and all that good stuff. But I love the floral print. I love the shape of it. I love this embroidery. How much is this top?
This is the Bobby embroidered tie top by Violets and Roses and Mustard for $44.
I just love this top. And let me show you the little tassels. They have some pretty bead detail on them. I just love it. Oh my goodness, this is getting really close to being a 5 for 5, and that scares me, but I really love everything in this thing.
Very cute. It looks good.
Thank you. Alright, so this is my last piece, this lovely dress. I added some boots with it, and I know it would look best with some tights or leggings, but I don't really have anything that fits the bill right now, so that's something I would have to get separate later. Oh, but I love this dress. It feels like wearing a nightgown. It's so comfy, and I love the shape of it, and it's so soft. Oh, I'm just in awe of this dress. I really love it. So what is this dress?
This is the Alicia Cowneck Hachi knit dress in light purple, which I don't see it so much as light purple. It looks more like a
mauve, maybe.
Brownish,
Yeah.
almost, by Fortune and Ivy, and it's $48, which I think is a good price. And
yeah.
it is so soft. I didn't want to let go of it.
It is so soft. I can see myself wearing this for all kinds of things. I can see me wearing it shopping. I can see me wearing it to work. It's perfect for everything. So thanks, Sharon. You did a great job with this fix. I'm going to need some help in the comments telling me what I should keep and what looks good, because I love it all and I need some clarity. So, alright, so we'll be back in just a minute for the wrap-up. Alright, so now it's time for some real talk, which means prices. So what is the price of this total fix?
Okay, the total fix is $243. A buy-all discount of 25%. If you buy all 5 pieces, you do get that 25% discount, and that would total $60.75.
Wow.
Which the subtotal would be $182.25 minus her $20 selling fee, and that brings it down to $162.25.
That's not bad at all.
Especially when you consider that you have a coat in there, or a jacket.
A coat, a dress, and jewelry. All of the 3 of those usually make something more costly.
So, I think it's a good fix. I really do.
I'm very pleased. And as you can see, I have some styling cards here. Some cute ideas for a little inspiration.
And if you haven't checked out Stitch Fix's app in a while, you really should. If you've ever bought anything from Stitch Fix in the past, because they have some new things on there. They have every day you go in and they switch up. They take an item that you have bought and they put it with different things, kind of like the styling card does here. And they change it out quite frequently.
I've gotten some cute ideas already for outfits this past fall.
And there's also an inspiration board there where you can go on and it's, I guess it's kind of like your Pinterest board. You can like things that they pull up for you, sets of clothing and everything, and you can tag what you like, and you can even put notes on it and upload it for your stylist. So those are things that really help make your fix better. But I think she hit it out of the ballpark.
She did.
There.
Thank you, Sharon. You did so great. I'm so pleased with this fix.
And if you have not tried Stitch Fix, please just go on it and give it a look at it. We'll leave Rebekah's link below. Should you decide to use her link, you can also get a $25 credit towards your first fix. And she would also get a $25 credit to help her with styling herself. But yeah, it's really a lot of fun, and we have enjoyed this service immensely. Me maybe more so than
oh, I've enjoyed it. I just haven't had the money for it.
But as I said, we are the Southern Belles, and we thank you for joining us today.
Yes, if you like what you see, please subscribe. We'd love to have you join our Belle family.
Yes, we just have a good time together.
Yes.
And we've got several other videos coming up very shortly.
Yes, in the next few days.
And if you haven't checked out our Ulta haul or our Advent calendar unboxing, go to that, because that was a lot of fun.
Those are fun videos, yes.
So, anything else?
I think that's all for today. Thank you guys for joining us.
Until next time.
Bye, y'all.
Bye. Have a great day.